Okay, so I'm going to show you a few exercises that you can do to work the shoulders, so to keep the shoulders moving, keep them nice and mobile. We're going to use a light resistance band to do these. So the first thing we're going to do is take the band around the back, so hook it under the armpits a bit. Okay, and then we're just going to hold onto the band. Okay, so I would just try the band out first. Just make sure you've got the resistance right. So if you've got it too short, it makes the resistance harder, so you just might want to lengthen out the band a little bit. So get it to the resistance that's right for you. So I'm sitting up nice and tall in the chair. Shoulders are relaxed. The abdominals are engaged. So we're going to do a punching action. So as you breathe out, you'll send one arm forward and bring it back in. Send the other arm forward and bring it back in. Press and release. Press and release. Breathing out, breathing in. Keeping the shoulders nice and relaxed and sitting up as tall as you can. If you're sitting on a chair, sitting up as tall as you can in that chair. Of course, you can do it standing as well if you wanted to, that's fine. Okay, now what if we do both arms together? So we'll do a reach and release. Reach and release. Reach and release. And I'll just do one more. Okay, I'm going to take my left arm out. Okay, and then I'm going to hold it out there, and I'm going to do some little circles. So I'm just going to draw some nice little circles. So you should feel the muscles in the front of the shoulder working straight away. And then I'll change direction. And then I'll bring that arm back in, and then we can do it on the other side. So the arm goes out, little circles around, not too big, nice and steady. Change direction again, and then bring that arm back in. Now, let's change arm position. So we're in this position. So we've got the arms out to the side. My elbows are just a touch lower than the shoulders, and we're going to send the arms to the ceiling. So we're going to alternate the arms. So you can send your left arm up first, and then bring it back down. Then send the right arm up, and then bring it back down. So we do a nice reach and release, and a reach and release. So just remember to keep the shoulders nice and relaxed. So when those arms come back down, make sure the shoulders come down with you. Okay, reach up as high as you can. If you can't quite straighten out the arm, that's okay. Just reach up as high as you can. I'll just do one more on the other side. And then relax the arms down. We'll just give those shoulders a little roll around. Okay, so one more. So this time we'll hold the band in this position. So I've got the elbows tucked in at the waist, palms are facing up, shoulders are nice and relaxed again. So we're just going to take one arm out to the side, and then we're going to straighten it out, turning the palm down. And then we're going to fold the elbow back in first, and then the hand comes back round. Then we send the other hand around, straighten out the arm, turn the palm down again, bring the elbow in first, and then the hand comes around. Hand goes out, straighten out the arm. So when the arm goes out, just send it to shoulder height, don't take it any higher than that. And we'll just do one more on each side. So breathe out as the arm goes out, and breathing in as it comes back in. And that's our last one. So we can relax the arms, give the shoulders a little roll around to finish.